so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you an easy blueberry banana smoothie. Okay, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for following me on all social at Ambrose. Okay, thank you so much guys, I appreciate it. So you know the time has changed now, it's getting cold, so when you come in sometimes you know feel like you want to go cook. So the easiest thing to do now is to make a smoothie. You can make a hot one or you can make a not so cold one. Alright, you can don't add any ice and the fruits don't have to be frozen so that you can enjoy it because it's really cold on my end. Don't know what about you, but yeah, my Jamaican peeps, your season is all season. You can add your ice, you can freeze your fruits, and you can have your smoothie, okay? Because it's that climate is conducive to cold smoothie, okay? Thank you so much. So let's dive right into the video, guys. So I have here some banana that was frozen. So yes guys, so sometimes when a banana getting weird, you freeze them and make a smoothie. I have an apple cut up in it. I have my blueberry here, yeah, and I have my yogurt, and this one is the blueberry yogurt, yeah, and I have some coconut water I will be using today. You can choose to use milk, whatever your choice is, you can choose to use it. So I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender now. Okay, I'm gonna add the blueberry. So no sweetener today guys. This is almost a vegan yogurt smoothie. I don't know, but it's so cold. Even though you put the things to the bottom of the fridge, everything is freezing up. Yeah. Then I add the coconut water, and I'm using the Goya water, coconut water with pulp. So here we go. Gonna cover. This is so tight, guys. Really tight. Force it properly for it to work. And then there you have it guys, all done. My banana blueberry smoothie. So I'm gonna glass this now guys. Wow. So beautiful. Banana blueberry smoothie. Tastes so much like ice cream. So tasty, so delicious. So tasty guys, so delicious. Go ahead and try this smoothie guys. So good. And you know anything with banana go into, it's excellent, right? Very, very, very good. Good tasting, easy for the stomach, good for the children. Blueberry is good for you too. So go ahead and try this smoothie, guys. You will love it. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying with me in this video. Until my next video. Bye.